Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include navigation system, hands-free Bluetooth integration, panorama sunroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive the 2016 Optima. The all-new Kia Optima offers a new level of style and performance features from Kia. The Optima also features engine management systems like direct injection and turbocharging, which enhance performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Its smooth flowing lines speak of grace and style and offer a strong hint of European luxury, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, moonroof, home link garage door opener, power steering, cruise control. Come see the car for yourself.